Welcome to Tonic Tutorials. Today our focus is on the Dejavoo P1. To get started, let's review the hardware in question. The Dejavoo P1 unit can be turned on with the power button on the left-hand side. For swiping credit cards, you'll use the right-hand side of the device and swipe your credit card. For dipping the credit card, you want to use the bottom to dip your card. For tapping credit cards, you'll want to tap it on the top of the device. And last but not least, paper. To change the paper, you open the door, insert your paper roll, and close the lid. Next, we want to power on the device to connect to the POS Wi-Fi and configure the date and time. Use the power button on the left and hold it until the power comes on. Once the home screen appears, you want to select your options at the bottom above the circle to come to your app screen. Next, we want to click Settings, Wi-Fi, select the Wi-Fi you want to connect to, arrow back, scroll down for the date and time. Next, select Date and Time. Automatic date and time should be Use Network Provided Time as the option checked. Next, we want to set our time zone. Uncheck Automatic Time Zone. Select Time Zone and find that time zone for your restaurant. After your date and time is set, arrow back to the home screen twice. Next, we're going to click on our DV store. Now, if this device is brand new and unpacked from the box, it will automatically start to download your DV Pay Lite, which is our next step here. If it does not automatically start to download the DV Pay Lite, select the three lines at the top left, download Anchor app, and please wait for the download. Next, your DV Pay Lite application will start. Once it's loaded, the next screen that will appear will be a screen for you to enter your TPN number, which you should receive from your processor. Once you've entered the TPN number, hit Download Parameter. If there's an app download that is needed, it will automatically start the download and process. Once that download is complete, the DV Pay Lite application will start. If the encryption keys need to be downloaded, the process will start automatically. Once the encryption keys are finished downloading, the DV Spin screen will appear and is ready for listening for transactions for a credit card transaction. The next part of the Dejavoo P1 configuration is in the Tonic Back of the House. Once you've logged into the Tonic Back of the House, go over to Setup and select your payment terminals. Your payment terminal should already be configured from the partner portal, so select that payment terminal in question. Today is the Dejavoo P1. Next, confirm all your settings are correct. Credit authorized for tabs, tips, and any other settings. Scroll down to the type. We'll want to select Dejavoo Spin. Once selected, hit Save. Click back on that payment terminal. Scroll down and you'll see the extra fields available to continue the configuration of the Dejavoo P1. First, we want to put in the serial number and the model number. Next, we want to put in the auth key, register ID, the TPN for the device, and the last piece we need to copy in is the token. Once all the information is entered in, we want to come on down to URL, and this will have .tech on it when you first install. You want to change that to .com if it's not already at .com. The port will remain at 8000. The IP will be 127.0.0.1, which is default, as well as the connection timeout at 1000, which is a default. Once you have all your information entered, click Save. This completes the setup of the Dejavoo P1 in the Tonic Back of House.